Tired of seeing your Bybit derivatives bonus just sitting there, not working for you? Let's unlock that potential. First, log into your Bybit account. Make sure you're on the web platform or the Bybit app. Now, navigate to your Assets Overview page. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of the website or at the bottom of the app. Locate your derivatives account. Next to your derivatives account, you should see a transfer button. Click on this button to initiate the transfer process. A transfer window will pop up in the From field. Ensure that derivatives account is selected. This is where your bonus funds currently reside. In the To field, choose the account you want to transfer the bonus to. Typically, this will be your funding account or your spot account. Keep in mind that Bybit might have specific rules about where bonus funds can be transferred. Check their terms and conditions. Now, enter the amount of bonus you wish to transfer in the designated amount field. Be aware of any minimum or maximum transfer limits set by Bybit. Double-check all the details: the From account, the To account, and the amount. Once you're sure everything is correct, click the Confirm button. And that's it. Your bonus funds should now be successfully transferred from your derivatives account to your chosen account within Bybit. Now you can use it to trade or for whatever purpose the bonus allows. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, be sure to check Bybit's Help Center or Facts section for more detailed information and specific instructions tailored to your account. Happy trading!